Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming coordinate systems and vertical datums so your measurements align. This prevents shifts later. Next, validate file types and point density, LAZ or loss with adequate PTS/M2, and import immediately into a LiDAR tool like PDAL, Cloud Compare, ArcGIS, or LA Stools. Once imported, inspect basic metadata and run a quick decimation or tile split to keep memory sane. Make sure to note sensor height and flight lines. These details explain anomalies and guide your cleaning steps. You now clean and classify. Remove spikes and isolated points with statistical outlier filters, then thin dense swaths to 0. 5 or chosen PTS/M2 for performance. After that, run classification workflows, progressive TIN or cloth simulation for ground, separate vegetation and buildings to create reliable layers. Once classes are stable, produce DEM/DTM/DSM rasters and intensity or normalized height models for analysis. You finish by exporting clean point clouds and rasters in required formats such as GeoTIFF for DEMs and LAZ for points, embedding CRS and metadata. Run CA, check vertical accuracy against checkpoints, analyze cross-strip residuals, and overlay with orthoimagery to validate features. Once verified, prepare deliverables, tiles, hillshades, contours, and attribute tables for delivery. If something goes wrong, use the troubleshooting tip. Rerun classification on a suspect tile with adjusted ground filter sensitivity and compare residuals to isolate the source of errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.